Hello everyone, and this is a quick video, and this is just to show you, for example, probably you're working with um, the Google Docs, or you're working with a spreadsheet or Google Sheet. You're working online, and for example, your network got disconnected, and what you're working on, the data you're inputting real time, and because of that, you're unable to do that because you're disconnected. Okay. Take for instance, if I'm disconnected here, let's say for example I'm disconnected here. Now notice what happens. It shows you that it's going to prompt a message that you don't have access, you don't have offline access to actually type anything on this. Now look at it, trying to connect. You cannot edit offline because offline sync is enabled for another user. So to fix this issue right now, you're having this, you want to work on this, you're not connected, but you want to work on this, and when you're connected, it just automatically uploads. So to do this, let me show you what you have to do. So I'm just going to connect to my network right now. Okay, it's taking a minute. Okay, just wait for it to get. Okay, so I'm connected. So what you're going to do now is, this is what you're going to do. You will have to log into the other account and then disconnect it. Disable it offline. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go here to this right here, the sheets, for example, and it's going to load. And then I'm going to click here and then click on that account that is telling you that has the enable access. For mine is this. And once you do that, once you log into it, click on this main menu, click on settings, and then you see that the offline has been checked for this. Now when you disable this, you click on OK, then now sign in. Okay, now sign in to the other account that you're using. For example, which account am I using for this? That should be okay. I'm going to sign into this. Okay, and once I sign into this, I'm going to go here to settings, and then you can now have this checked. Okay, you can now have this checked. Now the reason for this is you can only have one online for account per a profile. So I would advise you to create multiple profiles if you have multiple accounts. And how do you do that? Right here, you can click on another profile and you can add another profile to it. And this is just one person's person one. For it, you can customize it, and this is for me, right? This for me, you can customize it. Okay, you can customize it as much as possible, and then you can now have multiple users by clicking on add, and then you can add multiple profiles, and then you can have this issue resolved. So even when you don't have internet connection, you can still edit your work. So hope that was helpful, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tips on the Google products, Microsoft, and typing related, right, in general. Bye bye.